the impact on underserved communities could prove devastating. To help, the Urban League of Hampton Roads has established a COVID-19 Community Relief Fund. Chairman of the board, Jim Bibbs, joins us now via Zoom to tell us a little bit more. Jim, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, April, for having us.
So I heard about this, that the Urban League is responding to COVID-19, but tell me a little bit about how you are helping individuals.
Well, the COVID-19 impact on our community is significant in the way of folks losing work hours and actually loss of jobs. The elderly are having trouble getting food and their traditional access to banks. And we also are those who have compromised health are impacted. Their inability to get out to their doctor's appointments and to get to food and et cetera. We're trying to assist those in the Black and Brown community in particular, however, not limited to those communities. We are assisting whoever contacts us and is able to show an ability or need that correlates to a direct connect to COVID-19 for this fund, which is in correlation with what we do every day at the Urban League. It has intensified with COVID-19 and is significantly expanding the number of clients that we are seeing that are being able to have an impact or get financial results from us via this relief fund.
Okay, so you mentioned older people who don't have access or who can't get to the banks, but who else is eligible for this type of support? Are people who are performers who are now not performing, or people who work in the food industry who have been recently laid off because there's no one going into restaurants? Who exactly is eligible?
Those are the people we're talking about. As I mentioned earlier, those who have been impacted with a loss of work or even a reduction in work hours. All they have to do is contact our office. They can do that via the number that eventually we'll see on the screen, as well as contacting ulhr.org. There they can access Urban League directly, and we will connect them. We're working in conjunction with many of the nonprofits in the area. In particular, we will put them in the Unite Us system, which is United Way system, so that we can get a really good effort around all of our nonprofits in the community to help them and to aid us in not having duplicate effects or duplicate applicants.
Okay, I understand that we're just a few weeks, a month into this and starting to see some of the impact financially. So what has the process been like so far? How have you helped people, and who has been benefiting so far from the project?
Well, I'll give you an example. We had some folks here working at the house. This time of year, a lot of things happen to your home. So we had some folks working underneath in our crawl space, and the gentleman came and explained to us that his work hours had been reduced significantly. It was impacting his income into the house. So Mary, who is the operation lead at Urban League, helped him connect with the Urban League, and we were able to get him into the system. He was able to get his application approved, and his family now is receiving assistance as a result of the reduction in hours. And he was a white gentleman, not that we're playing race, because COVID has no respect of race, religion, or any demographic for that matter. But he was able to get relief for his family immediately. And that's the kind of program that we're working with here and the impact that we're seeing every day.
Wow. Well, Jim, tell me the information. Well, there it is on the screen. You can call the number 757-627-0864. Thank you so much, and thank you for what the Urban League of Hampton Roads has continued to do over the years.
April, thank you so much, and thank you for the opportunity.
Sure.